Hi, welcome to Rate My Gadget, and we'll be looking at the Repenic wireless thermostat. So basically, like many of the thermostats out there, this is a smart thermostat, which means that you can remotely connect to control your central heating and in this case control your hot water as well. We have many videos out there to show you how to use this, how to connect it to your system. So if you're replacing the likes of a Nest system or a Tado system, how you put this in place, which is very easy. Please go seek our other videos. But in essence, we're going to go through this, do a bit of review, let you know what we think. So first of all, the design of it, it is easily removable from the wall. So you can get two varieties. You can get one in white and one in black. The design itself comes with this round rotary dial with this display, which basically gives you all the information you need, the humidity, the temperature, as well as when the temperature will change for the next program. You also have 4 buttons on the outside. As you can see, you've got a dedicated button for hot water, eco and boost, which is central heating boost. So that means if you wanted to get a quick boost of hot temperature in the house, you can just hit that button. And you also have menu as well. Now I won't go into the details of it, but in essence, the device itself is really easy to use. The display gives you absolutely everything that you need. And the app that it connects to is really user friendly as well, which we really like. It has on the back of it 2 AA batteries, which are easily replaceable. And to be honest, we found that they last forever. So the display itself does go off after a certain amount of time, which we quite like. It's not intruding. It doesn't have any motion sensor on it or anything like that, which means it turns on. To activate it, you literally just push the button or push one of the buttons around the outside. But overall, it's a steady bit of kit. The other thing I like is that it is quite bulky, but it means that you can bring it around the house and you're not going to lose it, which sounds odd, I know. So some of the other smart thermostats we've reviewed, so please go look at those in terms of the Tado and the Hive. The Tado especially is quite flat and black, and there was a danger that it actually gets lost because you put it flat on the side of maybe a settee or a coffee table. This, however, we find is actually quite sizable, and although it is quite big, it does go away quite nicely. Talked about the design in terms of the installation of the Repenic system. So actually really simple. If you've got a gas combi boiler, or even if you've got, like me, a system boiler with a hot water tank, it is really easy to be able to fit this. This comes wirelessly, so you don't have to worry about wiring this in and linking it to your boiler. However, the thermostat receiver you do have to wire in, which is standard on all smart thermostats, and it's actually quite easy, and we do have a really easy walkthrough video. Now, of course, if you are unsure, please do seek electrical professional advice of a boiler engineer to install it for you. However, what's great is, because the device is £100, not excessively expensive, it shouldn't be too expensive to actually find a good boiler engineer who will install it for you. So hopefully for less than some of the other devices, buying them off the shelf, you'll have a device which not only is it wireless and smart, but it's also been installed for you. That said, we do have a DIY video for installation. Now, functionality wise, on the actual device, so stating the obvious, it's smart. So what that means is that it has what's called auto scheduling, and you can develop your own program for heating as well. So unlike a standard thermostat where you literally just turn the temperature up and down by hand, this will actually control the temperature. And honestly, with energy prices as they are today, that is really important that you are able to control the temperature so that you're not just heating up a house maybe when you're asleep or when you're away. The other thing we really like is the auto scheduling. So the auto scheduling takes a couple of weeks, in which what it's actually doing is assessing your house and the temperature it reaches and how quickly. So what that means is, if it's going from, let's say, 15 to 20 degrees and it takes an hour to do that, it will only ask for an hour's worth of heating from the boiler. It won't keep heating until it reaches that temperature. And that's quite standard in houses, that when the heat comes up, you don't want it to excessively go past it, because then it's trying to constantly track itself to the temperature. So auto scheduling is really useful. The other thing as well that should be said about the functionality is, unlike many of its competitors, this allows multi-zones. What does that mean? So what that means is, if you have a central heating system that potentially has, let's say, an upstairs and a downstairs, which are controlled through two systems, you can have multi-zone. So you might have two thermostats, one that controls the temperature upstairs and one controls downstairs. Now that's really easy to do because the thermostat receiver allows multi-zones on it. However, in some other competitors it doesn't, and therefore you may need a new system going forward if you decide to upgrade. The other thing that's really nice about this system is, for those of you like us who have a central hot water tank, which many people do now, especially in larger family homes, having a dedicated hot water system and button is really useful to be able to control the hot water, so that if you want a bath or if you want a shower, and unfortunately there are many family members who are taking that hot water away at the same time, you can program it to be able to ensure that you're always going to have hot water. It also comes with eco mode and frost protection. So both of those have been really useful and we've used them. So frost protection is basically if you're away on holiday and you want to ensure that the temperature is kept within a threshold so that you do not have the chance of freezing pipes within your house. It also has an open window mode, really nice, because if you put the thermostat near to an open window, which may see a drop in temperature over a short period, it will ensure that it doesn't activate the thermostat and therefore keep hunting for a temperature. In terms of remote pairing and access, it comes with the Tuya app, which provides everything you need in terms of programming. It was really easy to set up. You don't need any other extra device to be able to link, which is unlike some of the other thermostats, Hive, I'm looking at you, in which you do need to have something that connects into your Wi-Fi. This, with the Tuya app, works straight out of the box. The other thing that's really good is that Tuya then integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Google, which allows both of those systems to be able to change the temperature and inform you what the temperature is in the house as well. Again, really nice functionality, and if you really wanted to, you could start getting into routines and scheduling through the Google and Amazon system. However, Tuya has everything that you need, and that is the base for how you control the thermostat remotely. So overall, what do we think of the Repenic wireless thermostat? Well, we actually really like it in terms of, first and foremost, the ease of its use, both of quickly being able to see the temperature on the screen and also being able to amend it. It was a real ease in setting up the program, and also even the more detailed settings like auto scheduling was quite intuitive. Also, the installation of it was quite simple. However, we say that, please ensure that you're working with high voltage electricity, that it's properly isolated, or if you're unsure, go seek a boiler engineer professional. However, saying that, it was quite easy to replace the system that we had with the Repenic system. The other thing as well we really liked was the design itself. Now, some people may not be a fan of it, but the rotary dial is very intuitive in terms of controlling the temperature. We also really love the hot water and the boost dedicated button. The reason for that is this kind of thermostat, if it's in a family home or in any home for that matter, you may want to just boost the temperature for a period of time, and therefore having a dedicated button to do that without having to change all of the settings in the program or make it manual was really nice. The other thing is the hot water button as well. If, like us, you have a dedicated hot water tank, to have a hot water button that just means that you turn on the hot water for an hour or 2 or 3 hours just to get the hot water up ready for a shower or bath later on, or using hot water, that was really intuitive and we really like that. So as an example, we would push the hot water button in the morning if we knew that we were going to have a day where all the kids are out playing sport and potentially getting muddy. So it means that we are just giving that extra help to be able to fill up the tank with hot water. It's very unlikely that you're going to have to, in the future, upgrade it based on your system in your house. What do I mean by that? So because out of the box, the wireless thermostat at £100, which is a bargain, has hot water control and multi-zones so that you can control different zones in your house. It means that if you don't have those facilities at the moment in your house, you won't need to get another add-on or another thermostat. So if you do upgrade from, say, a combi boiler to a system boiler with a hot water tank, you won't need to change what you've got here, because you'll still be able to control the hot water. In other systems, you cannot do that. I think overall we really like it for the price. We think it's a great little bit of device. Overall, it's a smart thermostat. It does what it says, it's intuitive, it works, and it's fairly future-proof. If you've liked this video, please do like, please do subscribe. We have lots of videos out there from Repenic to show how you can install it, how you can use it, and also with the Tuya app, which this is controllable from remotely, not only how to use the app, but how to access and control it from the likes of Alexa and Google. Hope that helps.